check the Bulldog Bite. I hope you've used the lesson page that I've linked on the portal. I hope you have your calculator and a pencil and paper. Remember, we're looking to see, because we're finding circumference, do we know the radius or do we know the diameter? So day one, the first problem, this is the radius. So we're going to use the formula that says 2 times the radius, so 2 times 2.2 times pi. Remember, you can use the pi key on your calculator. So when you do that, you see that the circumference is 13.823. And I want you to round it to the nearest hundredth. So remember, the hundredth is the second place after the decimal. So the answer for the first problem would be 13.82. Number 2 for day one, the radius is 5. So we're going to say 2 times 5 times pi. When you do that, your answer is 31.415. So we're going to round to the hundredth. So we're going to look at the 1 and then the number to the right of it is 5. So we're going to round and say that that is 31.42. Problem 3, the radius is 11. So we're going to say 2 times 11 times pi, and that gives us 69.115. So we're going to round to the hundredths place, so 69.12. Day 2, problem 1. We're also given the radius for all 3 problems today for day 2. So we're going to say 2 times 11.3 times pi. So that is 70.999. So we're rounding to the nearest hundredth. Well, all of these 9s are going to round up to a 10. So we're having to think about kind of regrouping. So the answer for this one would be 71.0. The second problem for day 2, the radius is 3.3. So we're going to say 2 times 3.3 times pi, and that gives us 20.734. So the circumference would be 20.73. The last problem for day 2, the radius is 11.8. So we're going to say 2 times 11.8. I'm having trouble with my decimals. Times pi is 74.141. So we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. So that would be 74.14.